Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that people can learn. That's important. As long as you understand that fact that you can learn, you can really do anything that you want in life. It's just a matter of your ambition and your matter of your tenacity and how quickly you give up. Okay? Because, for example, for me, right, there was a time when I did not know how to create a website. Then I had to learn that. Then there was a time when I didn't know how to run advertisements. I had to learn that. As long as I can continuously learn, there's always new things that I can do and always new things that I can use to improve my business and to grow faster. Okay, it's the same thing for you. The same thing. For example, you know, a couple of weeks ago, I had to learn how to make Facebook advertising videos for my e-commerce products. That's extremely hard. In the past, I would always have to go and outsource that to someone, but I learned how to do it I think it was over last weekend, and it really allowed me to be able to do this faster and be able to actually, put out better content for myself. The same thing with your business. Once you understand how to learn and what the key steps are to being able to actually reach success, you can do it a lot faster. You can actually get there, and actually get there. If you want to learn what is actually important and we can show you how to step by step do that, go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's a link in the description either above or below the video depending on where you're seeing it. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.